Where am I? I'm in the middle of a Hopkinton Reservoir. This is my first time trying a pedal kayak. I'm so excited. I'm here with my friend Dan today. How do you feel? I love it. Yeah, right. Right. It is. Gosh, I want to buy it. All right, let's go. No. Oh yeah. Got one. Yes. Oh. Yeah, that was a good one. Fish on. Oh. God damn it, it's the second time though. Yeah, it has a treble hooks. Nice. Top water blow up, huh?
It's so small. Like the bait is bigger than the fish.
There's a still fish.
Well, that counts, right?
Yeah, kick wheel is. You got one? Big one? As fish is still fish. Oops. Whoa, that's really dark.
Is it a large mouth or a small one?
Wow.
It's a large mouth. But it is super
Yeah, I think it's a black largemouth. Yeah. Ooh.
It's just very dark.
Oh, come on. It's not going back. Fish on. Yep. It's a little dude. Not really.
Hey man, that's a good fish.
Yeah. Yep. Little dude. Oh, little dude. It's little dude. All right.
They're all the same size.
Oh, nice. We got one.
They're all little tiny things. That's it.
They're exact the same size. Yeah.
Being able to stand it.
Right. Like just about like 10 inches. It's still fun though. We should move. Your bite? Holy. Holy moly.
This one feels a little, no,
It's on the gill?
it's in the bottom.
Oh yeah. Did you hold that fish? Oh,
Nope.
it's all right.
We'll get a bigger one.
Hey, sometimes it doesn't go backward. Small, dude. Yeah.
Same size, huh?
Yes.
Same size. That was on a fluke though.
Yep, that was on the Fluke.
That's a little bigger, isn't it?
No, I think it's almost same.
First soft plastic.
Yep. Nice. Hey, hold on, I gotta take a picture of you. Nice, buddy. Fish on. A little dude. Oh, damn it. Goblin. Yep.
That one looks a little bigger. A little bit bigger.
But nothing different, you know.
Where the big ones?
I have no freaking idea. See you, buddy. Oh my gosh. I'm in the jungle. Nice. Oh, just a little bigger. I just got snagged.
Finally got a good fish.
Nice.
He's like 2.5 pounds.
Really? Goblin. Yep. The same size.
Top water.